Hey guys, welcome back to G's Kitchen. Today we are preparing oats meal. Firstly, we'll wash strawberry and blueberry with some salt. We are using pomegranate, strawberry, one banana, and 5 to 10 blueberries. Let's boil 250 ml of milk. Add 150 grams of oats. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns into a thick consistency like this. Then add all the fruits to the bowl. 100 grams of oats contain 370 to 390 calories, 13 to 17 grams of protein, 60 grams of carbs, 10 to 11 grams of fiber, and 6 to 7 grams of fat. Some might face digestive issues like bloating, gas from high fiber, so use accordingly. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. Very healthy, tasty, protein packed oats meal. Thank you for watching.